So next question, entering pathways after BHMS or after MD, what are the common entry level roles in clinical research for a BHMS graduate?
First role I suggest to any BHMS graduate is go to a hospital, maybe Apollo Hospital or any multi-specialty hospital. The clinical trials are going on there. Just go to the hospital and check who is conducting the clinical trial. Go to that particular doctor and say him as, I want to join your clinical trial as clinical research coordinator, CRC. Even I have started my career as CRC, clinical research coordinator. What is clinical research coordinator is basic, right? If you want to understand about medicine, if you want to understand about surgery, anything, what you need to know basic biology, right? What is plant, what is animal kingdom, basics. This will give you basics of clinical trials. Means what I said, what is protocol, what is inclusion criteria, what is exclusion criteria, how the patients enter into clinical trial, what are all the procedures done, what should be done when there is a side effect to the patient, how the clinical trial is started. Starting the clinical trial is very important thing. And what is ethics committee? There are different people sit together and give monitoring the clinical trial, how ethics committee works, and how a clinical trial is closed, how different people monitoring the clinical trial, how data is entered, how data is collected, how reports are done. What happens, you will have investigator meetings throughout the world, they happen. If your investigator is good, he will make you travel to other countries as well. I have traveled to many other countries when I was in the starting job. So there will be some initiation meetings, trial initiation meetings. It happens in different countries. You can go there, you can expose to different branches, and there will be different inspections, right? FDA can Food and Drug Administration can suddenly come for an investigation, or Indian authorities can come for investigation. How to handle those? What are the different branches in it? How each branch is related? Different trial need different branches. Some clinical trials need wearable bands. You have to coordinate with that wearable band company and give what you exactly need. Some people need some different technology, radiology. The trial is happening on cancer, you need to speak with the radiology teams. So lot of coordination you will understand. Basic one is, whenever you find time, maybe 1 month or 2 months when you are free, or else you don't have exams, right? From morning to evening you will be in college. Go and sit in the clinical trials, help the investigator as coordinator for maybe 2 to 3 hours every day. These types of jobs are available for apprenticeship. Some people will give you salary as well when you join as clinical research coordinator. Clinical research coordinator is the basic thing. You have to do at least six months. I suggest them to do it 6 months. Then there is no need for you for me to tell you anything. You will understand everything. 6 months of your life you have to work as clinical research coordinator. Then you will understand A to Z about clinical trials, and then you can decide which path you want to take. You want to go into technology part, you want to go into people management part, do you want to go into site management where exactly clinical trial is happening, do you want to go to pharmacovigilance, where pharmacovigilance we don't have much in that, and regulatory path or medical writing. These are the different branches. You will be exposed to all the branches which we
We
have
have
discussed
discussed,
in
yes.
the PowerPoint presentation. You are exposed to all those branches, from there you can pick which one you are interested. And you will also come to know there are different roles. Some roles you need to travel 24 hours. Today you have to travel, within 1 week you have to travel. Today you have to travel to US, tomorrow to UK. These type of jobs are available. Some jobs are there. You have to come in the morning 9 o'clock, go by evening 5 o'clock. Some you will also know politics, right? In corporate world,
Yes,
you have to know politics to climb the corporate ladder. So you want to grow in your corporate ladder. Now you are a project associate, project manager, lead, VP, vice president, president, and you want to become a CEO. That path is different. You will understand what politics are done, how people are managing, how, see here, how you expose yourself to that, everything comes to you. So there are a lot of things you learn as clinical research coordinator. I suggest every BHMS doctor or any other doctor, whether you want to enter clinical trials or don't want to enter clinical trials, work as clinical research coordinator for 6 months.